Hi everyone, I'm Darsana. I'm here to speak to you about IIM skills, about the content writing course. Now, I have been thinking about doing a course on content writing for a while now, and I did my research before deciding that I'm going to do the content writing master course by IIM skills. Now I have finished the 1 month course and I'm looking forward to doing the internship. If I should tell you about the course, um, it was for 1 month and it included 4 online live sessions. The mentors were Vaibhav sir and Roma ma'am, both of whom were really patient and reassuring, I should say. And after each session, they would patiently go through our doubts and answer each student's doubt, clarify each student's doubt. And even after the sessions, you could mail to them if you feel stuck at a particular point. They would personally get back to you and help you with the situation. And another peculiarity about the course is that after each session you are made to do certain tasks. Now for these tasks you actually make use of the tools and resources which were introduced to you during the class. So you actually feel confident about um, writing just as it works in the industry. And once you submit the task, you get a thorough feedback, um, telling that these were the good points about the writing that you did, or these are the points where you have to improve. Now this is the kind of help that you need once you have decided to do something new, or once you have decided to try something new. And so if you are someone who is considering freelancing, or someone who is considering to upgrade your writing, I would genuinely suggest IIM skills. I can assure you, you will feel confident about your writing and about your job readiness. Thank you.